Ready to defy gravity and impress your friends? Let's make objects take flight. Gravity is the force that pulls everything towards Earth. But did you know you can manipulate it to make objects float? First, you'll need a magnet, some metal objects, and a strong electromagnet. Electromagnets are just coils of wire with electricity flowing through them. When you turn on the electricity, the coil acts like a super strong magnet. Place your metal object above the electromagnet and watch it hover. Adjust the electric current to control the height. To make it even cooler, use a magnetic levitation kit. These kits use opposing magnetic fields to keep objects floating in mid-air. It's like magic, but it's all science. Remember, always experiment safely and never put anything living near strong magnets. Now go and impress your friends with your gravity-defying skills.